Have you ever felt like your energy levels are a roller coaster throughout the day? The answer might be on your plate. Carbohydrates are your body's primary fuel source, but not all carbs are created equal. Understanding a low-carb lifestyle isn't just about weight loss, it's about metabolic health and sustained energy. When we eat too many refined carbs, our insulin levels spike, often leading to fat storage and energy crashes. By lowering your carb intake, you allow your body to tap into stored fat for fuel, which is a game changer for weight management. Many people also report incredible mental clarity and the disappearance of that afternoon brain fog. So, what does a low-carb diet actually look like? It's much more delicious than you might think. Focus on high-quality proteins like poultry, grass-fed beef, and eggs. These keep you full and satisfied. Healthy fats are your new best friend. Think avocados, olive oil, and nuts. They provide long-lasting energy. Load up on non-starchy vegetables. They're packed with fiber and essential nutrients without the carb-heavy load. The key is to avoid refined grains, sugary drinks, and high-sugar fruits that can derail your progress. Watch out for hidden sugars in sauces and dressings. Always read the labels to stay on track. Let's look at a typical day. Planning ahead is the secret to succeeding with a low-carb lifestyle. For breakfast, try an omelette with veggies or a simple Greek yogurt with a handful of berries. Lunch can be a large salad with grilled protein and a healthy olive oil dressing. It's light yet filling. Salads are incredibly versatile. Just skip the croutons and choose a low-carb dressing. Dinner is where you can get creative. Swap traditional pasta for vegetable-based alternatives. Zucchini noodles or cauliflower rice are amazing bases for your favourite proteins and spices. If you need a snack, reach for a handful of almonds, some cheese, or a few hard-boiled eggs. These snacks provide healthy fats and protein to keep your cravings at bay between meals. A common mistake is forgetting electrolytes. When you lower carbs, your body needs more salt and water. Stay hydrated and don't be afraid of high-quality sea salt. It helps prevent the low-carb flu. Start small and stay consistent. For more helpful resources and a sample meal plan, check the link in my bio and description below. Let's do this.